another stop, Hidden Pinyons. We're gonna go and check it out. We'll see what it's all about. Alright guys, we're gonna go find the Pinyons. We don't know what a Pinyon is, but we're gonna go find it. Alright guys, so we're in this canyon. This is known as the Hidden Pinyons. We're gonna make our way over that way and show you guys everything we see. Alright ladies and gentlemen, we're in this beautiful canyon. This trail is called the Hidden Pinyons. It's a beautiful canyon. We're just taking in all the beauty from all the beautiful sandstone here in Snow Canyon State Park. Valley, guys. We're heading up to the Pinyons. We're gonna bring the beauty to you once we get there. Look at this beauty, ladies and gentlemen. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Way over here to the Hidden Pinyons. We'll see what it is once we get there. Got the drone out, get some drone footage. Beautiful. guys. Ray is taking in the views. Not today, man. Ray. All right, ladies and gentlemen, one last view. We're here at Snow Canyon State Park. This is Hidden Pinyons. It's absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. All right, guys, we're heading back. We came, we saw, we conquered. We are heading back now. So, whew, we did it, Ray. The champ is here, bro. Look at it, huh? Look at Ray knocking these hikes out, right, Ray?